do you have a victim mentality? You know, you can be the victim of a genuine injustice without having a victim mentality. That mentality means that you spend time blaming others, ruminating on all the bad things that have happened to you, asking, why always me? It robs you of your agency, of your chance to change your situation, actually make that bad situation good. It's bad for your mental health, it affects your work. It's like drinking poison and hoping that the other person dies. Well, here's 3 simple ways that you can break the cycle of a victim mentality and take back that control. Number 1, admit it. Like Alcoholics Anonymous, the first step to getting rid of your victim mentality is admitting that you have a victim mentality. Try and recognize the patterns. Are you asking the question, why, all the time, instead of asking, what can I do? Are you getting negative whenever anybody else has something to say about where your life's at? When you admit you have a problem, you can do something about it. Number 2, focus on what you can control. So, what's next? What can you do about the situation to make it better? That can mean letting go of the situation, admitting there's nothing you can do to change it, and moving on to something else. Or maybe it's setting small, achievable goals. Even achieving just something minute can give you that sense of agency back and begin to break the cycle. Because resilient people always focus on what they can control and let go of everything else. Number 3, sit with discomfort. If you want to achieve a goal, it's not going to be a linear journey. There'll be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs along the way. People will support you and other people will doubt you. If you want to take something on, particularly something significant and challenging, you have to learn to sit with discomfort. That means that you can ride out the ups and downs without being tricked back into that mentality where you wonder, why is this happening to me again? Now, the first step to sitting with discomfort is acknowledging that you will have negative emotions. It's just human to feel stressed or angry or upset or frustrated when you encounter obstacles. And when you accept that they're normal, they don't grow. You don't feed them. In fact, ironically, when you accept them as normal, they diminish. Tough things are tough. Accept it. When you accept it, you give yourself permission to sit with discomfort and ride out negativity rather than spiraling into a victim mentality.
If you want to become hardier, happier, and more fulfilled by learning about resilience, then subscribe via the button above.